Hello, it's Adriana. Welcome back. So let's talk about how our personality is formed. Within our DNA cellular memory are the characteristics of our own unique personality, along with the characteristics of our parents, genetics, and the universal characteristics of the human race. Human beings think in the form of pictures. These pictures can be of past memories and or visually constructed within our imagination. These pictures are neurologically linked by our emotions. Our emotional responses activate intensely from within our significant emotional,
sexual violence
and traumatic experiences. Due to our emotional activation, we form major decisions that underpin our values, beliefs and attitudes in all areas of our lives, such as our worth, relationships, love, money, finances, family and children, etc., etc. Our parents and or substitute parents are our major male and female role models. We often mirror their behaviour and or rebel against their authority. To understand the blueprint of our personality, it's all about understanding our relationships. The blueprint of our personality is deeply understood through our relationships that include partners, brothers, sisters, other major adult relationships, children, other authority figures, etc., etc. Our family and cultural conditioning is a window into our own personality and behaviour. So to conclude, our primary relationships, along with our significant emotional, sexual,
violent
and traumatic experiences, create the catalyst to unravel the layers of our blueprint stored in our DNA makeup. Imagine our world free of fear and violence. Thank you.
Visit our website shiftingparadigm.com.au